We're gonna be doing a 15-minute, no jumping, nothing too crazy type of lower body workout. So we have goblet squats, we have Romanian deadlifts, we have reverse lunges, we have a deadlift with a high pull, and we have suitcase marches. Throughout the entire workout, you will have options as far as dumbbell or kettlebell, and I will make cues so that way you know exactly what to do. For any reason, you can always stop it. You can always come back to it. But we're gonna be doing each exercise for 30 seconds, 15-second rest. At the very end, you can continue with the 15-second rest of the circuit, or you can take a full minute, pause, take a full minute and go back through it. But this is gonna test your endurance as well. Throughout the 30-second, you can do it, you can take a break, but you will get a 15-second break between each exercises. So there's 5 exercises, we got 3 rounds, it's 15 minutes. I love this workout. This is a good one. For reference, I'm using 35-pound dumbbells and a 24-kilo kettlebell. If you're new to this, you want to use anywhere from 10 to 20 pounds. Don't go any heavier. Really listen to your body. And remember, if you struggle with balance, you can always hold on to something. You can sit on a box for squats. You can hold on to something for reverse lunges. We don't ever skip something. We always want to train around the injury or the pain. Make sure on these RDLs, you're really pushing that butt out, your back nice and flat. If you struggle with balance, you can always hold on to something. Do these body weight. Really great. Keep the tension out of your knees. Step back. You don't have pressure. Hey, Brian. So get a little wider, chest up, butt back. off. Sometimes you see variation. If you need to sit on a box, go for it. Sit down. You can always use a box. It's a great indication of how deep you should go. You should just keep your chest lifted. Show you different variations when we do RDL with the kettlebell. Show you different variety. Reverse lunges. We're going to pass the weight through the kettlebell. With the kettlebell through the legs. You can always use a dumbbell for high pulls as well. 2 hands on it. I like showing the angle so we can see how flat my back is. Make sure you have a good grip. You can always do 1 hand too, if you want it. Or stick with the kettlebell. Halfway. It's good for balance. Again, if you struggle with balance, you can always hold on to something. Don't be ashamed of that. You always start somewhere. Switch. Awesome, it's 2 rounds down. We got 1 more. Let's go. Again, you can always sit on a box. It's all up to you. You can also hold your kettlebell a little different variety. Grab it. Go like this. Strong legs. reverse lunges. And don't forget, make sure you're breathing. Take as much time as you need. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Hope you enjoyed the workout.